morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. McNulty, and this week we're going to be studying money and fractions. So for our craft this week, we're going to make our very own money tree. Don't we wish we had one of those in our backyard? So to get started, I was going to film outside, but the weather is pretty yucky today. And I was going to suggest that you go outside, perhaps sit up at a table, have your paints or markers, whatever you're going to use to draw your tree, and experiment with looking at a tree and drawing it. You can also just think about it in your mind and draw one like I've been doing inside. So to start, I'm using watercolors. And wet your brush and then just start drawing your tree and however many branches you want to do. I've got a couple different stages to move this along a little quicker. So, but this is generally how it's done. Okay, so you're going to grab a quarter. That's the one I'm starting with. You stick it under the paper, wherever you want it to be on the sheet. Take the side of your crayon. And then rub. Let's try that with a dime. Like I said, it's best to keep the crayon as flat as you can because you'll get more of the round shape of the coin. Now we'll try a penny. And you just keep going until you've filled it up as much as you want. You can really see that Lincoln head there on the penny. So then to finish it off, when you get to the bottom, you're just going to want to make some grass down there. Get in between the roots. Nice that we're doing this right after our plant unit because you all know all about your trees and plants at this point. So it ties it right in with what we were just studying, which was why I suggested that maybe you go outside in your yard to do the actual painting, and that way you can view a real tree. Okay, so you can make it as realistic as you want. So you can turn the brush on its side and do more of a actual grass. But it's better to sort of block in the color like I did on the bottom before you do that, because that's a lot of green to fill in. So there you have it, your very own money tree. Hope you enjoyed this one, boys and girls. We miss you. Bye.